purchase lemonade from the lemonade stand from those kids. You want to keep that $1, that $2, keep it in your pockets and make your very own lemonade at home. I'm Piper Blush, your financial coach, and I'm going to show you how to deduct your life and how to make your best lemonade. You have beautiful lemons like this, you need to make sure that there are no seeds in them because you don't want them to reproduce in your lemonade. That's gonna taste so weird. 1, 2, 3, 4. Technique for cutting lemon is called cut finder. No, I'm just joking. It's called the empire technique in French. If ever you disagree with this, well, just leave a comment and tell me how you think this technique is called. You're gonna take all of your beautiful lemons and add them to a Vitamix. Yeah, go in there, baby. With approximately 800 milliliters of water. Yes, just normal water. Don't take it from a lake or something like that. Make sure it's drinkable water, all right? You will now Vitamix it until it is kind of homogeneous. You're gonna want to make sure that this pulp and this lemon water thingy just kind of fusions together. Depending on how intense your actual blender is, you won't need more than 1 or 2 minutes. Now that you have this weird water, lemon tasting water, you keep it there. We are gonna filter it, okay? To make sure that we don't have that much pulp in it. A bit like orange juice. You know, with the pulp in the orange juice? Well, we want no pulp lemonade. You'll need to rinse thoroughly, even this big black stick. Keep the pulp for compost. You don't need it. It doesn't taste good anyways. This is your lemonade mix or extract, sort of, kinda. You put it in there. If you want it more zesty, just add some zest to the mix, but I don't recommend it. My grandma, she was wrong. Technical difficulties. I'll be right back. Relieve that pressure. Don't do this at home, kids. It's dangerous. tired of holding the can, that's enough. Alright, you're gonna mix everything at high speed. You can add some ice if you want to, but quite frankly, just put it in the fridge for an hour or two, it's gonna be fine. That way you're not gonna water down your lemonade too much. Perfect. Anyways, because this lemonade has kind of two types of liquid in there, the condensed milk and the actual water and lemon, well, it's gonna separate. So you're gonna need to shake it up every time you want to drink some, alright? Or else you're just gonna eat the top and just the bottom. But some people are tops and some people are bottoms, so I mean, it doesn't really matter, as long as you know. Oh yeah, this is good. That's some good lemonade. Oh, way better than those little girls' lemonade at $1 or $2. Plus, all of this can be deductible. You can deduct all of this. All you need to do is make a YouTube video. Plus, don't forget to count your kilometers when you go to the grocery store. Come back, keep your receipt for your condensed milk, your lemons, maybe your ice if you want to use ice. Your water, well, that depends. If you're in one of those countries where the water is not drinkable out of the faucet, you better keep your receipt for the water. That's also great. Oh, okay. I'm Piper Blush, your financial coach, and I'm going to show you how to deduct your life. Click that subscribe button and make sure you share a comment with me about how you could deduct something in your life that maybe you're not thinking about deducting.